took a drive. Picked up these handmade sandals at the border. I got the meanest margarita you can order. I'm down here having a good time for her. She said one of us had to go. I got this homegrown Mary if you wanna. I got these cheap ass shades from Tijuana. Yeah, just in case she wanna know, I got it made in Mexico. Well, I'm finally living my best life, picking Spanish up easy, one señorita at a time. Call me gringo, hell no, I don't mind. Take it with lime, take it with salt, take it with lime. Picked up these handmade sandals at the border. I got the meanest margarita you can order. I'm down here having a good time for her. She said one of us had to go. I got this homegrown Mary if you wanna. I got these cheap ass shades from Tijuana. Yeah, just in case she wanna know, I got it made in Mexico. I got it made in Mexico. Oh, I got it made in Mexico. Play that thing. Picked up these handmade sandals at the border. Got the meanest margaritas you can order. I'm down here having a good time for her, 'cause she said one of us had to go. I got this homegrown Mary if you wanna. I got these cheap ass shades from Tijuana. Yeah, just in case she wanna know, I got it made in Mexico. I got it made in Mexico. Yeah, I got it made in Mexico. I got it made in Mexico. Téngalo hecho ya en México. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Oh, I got it made in Mexico.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Neck in Mexico. It's a 32 count forward beginner level line dance. Let me face in the backward. First section, we start with the right foot, you move to the right, go side. Together, side, touch, and after this one, left foot to the side, touch, and then with the quarter turn left, with the right foot, step back, and then put your left foot across your right. If you don't want to do the hook, you can just tap your left foot across your right. So right now you're facing your night towel. Okay, let's do the second with cut. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, we start with the left foot. You do the last step. So slow last step, so left foot, step, last step, and then swing your right foot to the front. And after this one, we make a quarter turn right just fast. We do the cross, turn, side, cross. Okay, let's do the second with cut. So after your quarter turn left and foot, and then you start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we start with the right foot. You do the lumbar pass. So right foot, side, together, back, touch, side, together, forward, stop. Okay, let's do the section with cut. So after your quarter turn right just fast, you start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the final section, you keep your left foot on the spot, and you start with the right foot to the rocking chair, down, center, back, center, and still left foot stay on the spot. And then you do the right pivot quarter turn left, so right foot step, turn. So right now you're facing your night towel, and then right foot to the cross rock recover. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So to the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put everything together from the top. So start with the right foot to the right side. Together, side, touch, go to turn left, hook and level step, last step, sweep and just last, go to turn right. So cross, turn, side, cross, rumble back, side. Together, back, touch, side. Together, forward, stop, left, rocking, front, center, back, center, step, forward, turn, cross, rock, recover. Okay, one more time with count. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for this dance, we have to restart. Restart at wall 4 and wall 9. Those restart will start from facing your 3 o'clock wall, and you do the first 2 sections, and then restart the dance. Okay, let's do the wall together. So start with the right foot, side, together, side, touch, turn, foot, last step, 3, and just cross, turn, side, cross, and then you restart the dance, side, together, touch, turn, foot, and then continue your dance. And also for the ending, you will start facing your 6 o'clock wall, and you almost finish your whole dance, just modify the very last 4 count. So after you will do your final station, rocking chair facing the 6 o'clock wall, you do the rocking chair, and then instead of pivot, hold to turn left, you make a pivot heel, turn left. So you do the step, turn, and then rock forward, recover, and right foot step back for ending.